There's the trees that I'm looking at, cutting one. I'll make a quick count of how many are in there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, probably 50. I think I'll try to drop it downhill. That's a really nice one. They've got, there's a popple tree there, a dead pine, a couple of little ones. That's probably a little too small. That one looks pretty good right there. Let's go over here and see. These were planted in about 1960. And you can see one whole row here died. It was spruce, I suppose. That one might hang up. I want to drop it where it's a little bit easy to get at. A little bit brushy all over here. There's one that blew over, or died and blew over. Let's see what we got over here. They're really thick here, so it'd be good to take one out of these. Spruce. Red pine. My, they're tall. I think this one right here it's probably maybe a foot in diameter. It goes way up. And I could drop that one right down into there where it wouldn't be too hard to cut it up. I just need to make a few 10-foot logs out of it. And then he planted all these trees here. And for a few years we kept after them. Then they got big enough so they managed it on their own. There's the swamp. My property goes through about the middle of the swamp up there. These are the trees. Look pretty nice, don't they? That's a spruce in front. I think that one right there in the middle. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. It would be that one in sort of the center of the screen. I could drop it right where I'm standing, I think. And then I got 1, 2, 3, probably 6 ones that would give me 2x4s out of it. I think that's what I'll do. Well, I decided I'd take this one. I want to drop it that way, and it's kind of open down there. So I've got a plastic wedge, a steel wedge, a maul, and my steel 029 chainsaw, which I've had for, I suppose, 30 years. Let's see. I oiled and gassed it and started it up this morning, so it should start. Run's a little lean. I need to cut a wedge here. I want to cut it reasonably low. Let's see here. To go, so I'm going to give squeeze it. It's really just floating there. Wedge it a little bit. We'll see. Yeah, it came off. Broke off. Rather than go down, it completely cut off signal. So my strategy will have to be get a chain, hook onto it, yank it out the bottom. I didn't think the top was so much attached. I'll take over here and we'll take a look at it. It's caught up in the tops on the tree on either side of the, well, on the one to the left. Yeah, it's completely cut off. I suppose the wind might take it down if it... Otherwise, I'm in the woods a ways, so to get it out, I'd have to have quite a bit of, to get the thing pulled loose, I'd have to have probably, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 50 foot chain, because there's no place to drive into here. Chain, tow rope, whatever, and then yank it off at the bottom. Bummer! I don't intend to do any more on that today. It was not my plans at all. Actually, what I can do is bring my come along and hook it to a next tree nearby and just use that to jerk it off the stem. I don't think it'd be that hard. It's already broke loose, but so that way I could just hook up to the tree right behind it and then pull it loose. That sounds like a simpler possibility. I'll try that first. And over by the tractor, and I heard the crash, and the tree, the wind blew her down. So there it is. I think right up to here I can get 2x4s. Let's step it off, shall we? I'll try it. So say about from here I can get maybe 2x4s out of this. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 33, 36, 30, at least 45. I'm going to cut it into 10-foot pieces because what I need in the young stock barn, I'm going to sit on this log. What I need on the young stock barn is actually about 5 feet ones to nail to the existing studs to go down to the floor where they rotted off. So a 10-foot one would give me 2 of them. So this is where I missed. See, I cut in too low. Oh well. So that should have, it grew quite fast at first and then slowed down really a lot as it got crowded. So it'll be quite strong. Sort of gnawed it down like a beaver might. Oh, there's one bend out in there. Well, I'll get plenty of 2x4s. I only need about a dozen 5-foot. And these base ones should get me about 6, maybe, each. Well, I'm going to take my stuff and go back for the moment.